I usually start these videos by saying, welcome to a dealer-only auction. Not today. Welcome to a government public auction. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you, with or without a dealer's license, can buy cars at auction at wholesale prices, sometimes with no extra fees at a discount. And there's hundreds of cars here today that we're going to check out to see what we can drive, to see what we can take home, and if the prices are lower at a government auction than if you could just buy them online on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace or private party. For example, you'll see this one is a police car, right down the side, police. I wouldn't necessarily want a police car, and that's not what we're here to find. I have a 2013 with 89,000 miles, a 2013 with 78,000 miles. When states and towns get new vehicles, these come to government auctions. There's more than just police cars. There's a lot of other municipal vehicles like Ford Escapes, Ford F-150s, Jeep Grand Cherokees. You mean government? Would there be a Jeep Wrangler? I don't know, that seems a little peculiar.